We'll guide you through how to connect Supabase with Claude. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To connect Supabase with Claude, start by opening Google Chrome on your computer so you can download the required application. Click the search bar at the top of the browser window, type Claude Download, and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, choose the official 𝗟𝗟𝗞𝗘 website to make sure you are downloading the software. On the website, find and click the Download for Windows button to begin downloading Claude. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and open the installer file. Wait for the installation process to finish, which usually only takes a few moments. Once the app opens, click Get Started to begin the setup process. Select Continue with Google so you can sign in using your Google account. A list of your Google accounts will appear, so choose the one you want to use for Claude. Click Continue to confirm your selection and complete the login process. When a browser window appears, click Open Claude to return to the application. If welcome screens or tutorial tips appear, you can skip or close them to go directly to the main dashboard. Continue clicking Continue through any quick setup messages shown in the chat area. Adjust or resize the application window so it is easier to see and use comfortably. Look at the bottom left corner of the app and click on your profile picture. From the menu that appears, click Settings to open your account preferences. Inside Settings, find the menu on the left side and select Connectors. Click Browse Connectors to see all available integrations you can connect. In the search bar, type Supabase to find it. When you see it, click the plus button on the Supabase connector. Click Continue with GitHub to start linking your account. If you are already logged into GitHub, it may proceed automatically. Then click Authorize when prompted. If needed, click Create an organization to set up access, and then click Create Organization to continue the process. Next, click Authorize Claude to allow the connection between your accounts. When a pop-up window appears, click Open Claude to return to the application. Your Supabase account is connected to Claude, and you can start using it in your projects.